Right, unfortunately this video is starting a little bit different because I was supposed to start it off with loads of footage of me loading the garden up with bags and bags and bags of gravel, loading this car up with the gravel and getting it and then unloading it and doing all the normal stuff that you saw in last week. And I went to go set the camera up today and found out that the SD card has corrupted basically, and I've lost all that footage, which is great. But not to worry, we'll start the week off now. I'll show you in a couple of minutes where we're at for the week and what we've been doing. It's been a bit of a difficult week because it's been stupidly hot and it's also been quite wet. So yesterday, because it's Saturday today, which is why it's raining, it's still quite hot, it's still 22 degrees. But yesterday reached 34 degrees here and that was far too hot, so I did nothing. I still ended up running around doing things for people and got caught up, and I still managed to get a bit of heat stroke, which is just my luck. But that's all fine. Didn't really do much on the garden, but what I've been doing so far is collecting those bags of gravel that I said earlier, which I'll show you in a moment. And that's pretty much it. I've been levelling off what's already there. I'm not going to go into it too much now because I'm going to show you in a second. But yeah, that's the first part of it, just to let you know that the video was originally going to be a bit longer. It isn't as long, and that's it. I'm in the car now, I've just been to pick some more bits up, and then hopefully you like the rest of this video. So over to me in the garden now. Well, this is pretty much where we are with the garden. Unfortunately, all that footage you didn't really see. There is one little bit which I'll do in a moment, and that's me putting the posts in and then using some rope to basically get the level line and then do it from that. But the rest of it's all gone, so you're not going to see a fat man digging, which is a good thing because it's been really hot and you don't really want to see that. But this is where we are so far. Oh, we've got a new dog. We've just got him today. Just seeing how he is with the existing dog. So at the minute he's sniffing around everywhere and leaving his mark in places, so that's something to get used to. But as you can see, these aren't the base things that we're actually going to be using. In fact, let me turn the camera around. Right, when it comes to what I've done is I've basically levelled it off. You can see it's obviously a lot flatter now. I've made these boxes out of some old wood. And then I've got some gravel that I got off Facebook for free. Still got loads of that left, so I'm going to put some more out to level everything off. And then these are basically raising this. I don't know if you can really see it, but that's sort of supported in there now. And then I've got a paving slab on top. And then I'll do the same on that, so that raises that level. This isn't really down for any reason. Just getting a bit of an idea of what's going on. But you can get a bit of an idea of the size of it now. Now these are the existing shed base. Well, it is the old shed base. So what I've done is I've cut them down. As you can see, one here, it's quite tall, but that is 10 foot in length. So what I'm going to do is I was thinking whether to do these and then add to it, or start fresh and get some new bits, or even use pallets and do that. And then, because obviously they're all going to get covered in OSB once they're finished, but what I've decided is I've got plenty of these bits of wood. I'm going to make some more longer lengths that you see along here to match those, and then I'm just going to join them all together and have one big piece that I'll lay down and then put some OSB, and that'll be the whole base then, so it'll give you an idea. Obviously on the side you've got plenty of space here, plenty of space here, and well, this needs moving back a little bit, but there'll be plenty of space here as well, which means I'll have access all the way around. Moving everything has not been particularly easy, especially for a fat man like me. It's yeah, so that's pretty much where we're at. Not really done too much this week with it being so hot, and obviously we've got the new dog. We've got some other bits sorted, so I've done most of this. Unfortunately I lost that footage, but yeah, that's where we're at this week. Sorry it's a short one. Reggie, leave it. Right, I'm officially done for the week. I was going to sort of not do any more, but I got carried away and made an extra thing for the base. Now all I need to do is attach those three together, make sure they're all level, and I've got the base basically that I can get down and put into place, make sure everything is all nice and level, and then I'm done. Next week you'll be watching me do that, basically get everything short sorted, get the OSB, and then I'll have a floor. Once I've got a floor I can get started on getting the walls up and get everything going. So I'm absolutely knackered. Yeah, that's it from me and the dog, and until next week, bye.